Welcome to our channel. This is your go-to destination for industrial machinery insights, detailed reviews, and real-world performance analysis. Today, we are diving into a powerful and versatile machine that is making waves in the foundation drilling industry. It is the Anman HDL-260 crawler drilling rig. If you are in the market for a high-performance solution for micropiling, anchoring, or tunnel reinforcement, stay tuned, because this deep dive will answer every question you might have. The Anman HDL-260 is developed by Wuxi Anman Construction Machinery Company Limited, a company well known in Asia for durable and reliable drilling solutions. This machine represents the pinnacle of versatility, combining rotary and percussive drilling capabilities in one mobile unit. It is designed for micropiling, tunnel pipe shed support, anchoring, and jet grouting. The HDL-260 tackles the most challenging soil and rock conditions. It stands out for its impressive power-to-weight ratio and its intelligent hydraulic control system, which ensures operational efficiency in the field. Let us explore the specifications. This is where the HDL-260 shines. The total weight of the rig is 21 metric tons. When transported, its dimensions are 9 meters in length, 2.6 meters in width, and 3.15 meters in height. It is powered by a turbocharged diesel engine rated at 194 kilowatts, which is approximately 260 horsepower. The hydraulic system delivers a pressure of 28 megapascals and a combined flow of 234 liters per minute plus 180 liters per minute. The maximum drilling depth is up to 220 meters, and the drilling diameter ranges from 73 millimeters to 350 millimeters. The percussive torque reaches 25,000 newton-meters, while the rotary head torque can go up to 68,500 newton-meters. The stroke of the rig is 5.75 meters, and the feed speed ranges from 0 to 10.5 meters per minute. The clamp range is from 73 to 350 millimeters, and the clamping force is 235 kilonewtons. The HDL-260 is built on a heavy-duty steel chassis with a crawler undercarriage, offering great stability and traction on uneven terrain. The 600 mm wide track shoes provide excellent flotation on muddy or sandy job sites. The mast is designed to tilt in multiple directions, which allows for inclined drilling, horizontal anchoring, or vertical micropile operations. All components are modular to simplify maintenance. The integration of hard-wearing materials in high-friction areas ensures extended service life, even under aggressive usage. This machine can operate in several drilling modes. These include the top drive rotary mode, ideal for soft to medium soils, percussion drilling, also known as down the hole or DTH drilling, for fractured rock or boulder layers, jet grouting mode for soil improvement and waterproofing, and casing mode for protecting the ground during borehole development. The control panel is user-friendly and provides real-time diagnostics. Key features include automatic rod handling, load sensing hydraulics, smart torque management, and remote control capabilities. These functions allow the operator to make adjustments on the fly, improving both drilling speed and safety. The rod carousel system reduces labor and saves time. In real-world applications, the HDL-260 has been used in various projects across Asia and Eastern Europe. These include deep anchoring in landslide-prone areas, tunnel pipes, reinforcement for metro and railway projects, micropile foundation work in urban high-rises, and jet grouting and flood barrier construction. Operator feedback frequently highlights smooth operation in diverse geological conditions, high productivity with minimal downtime, and reliable torque with stable feed performance across long shifts. Another advantage is fuel efficiency. The machine can operate for 10 to 12 hours on a full tank under typical load conditions. When compared to other rigs in its class, such as the Casagrande B125 or the Soilmec SM18, the HDL-260 holds its own. It offers a more compact footprint, competitive torque specifications, and faster setup times. The cost of ownership is relatively lower due to the availability of localized spare parts and a modular design that simplifies repairs. This rig provides excellent return on investment, especially for contractors working in infrastructure, energy, or urban development. It is particularly valuable for companies needing a multi-purpose rig, for job sites with difficult access or strict emission standards, and for projects that require high precision and output. In conclusion, the Anman HDL-260 is a workhorse engineered for demanding drilling jobs. With its powerful torque, deep drilling capacity, and multi-mode functionality, it stands out as one of the most capable rigs in its category. If you are searching for a versatile, efficient, and powerful drilling solution, the HDL-260 is definitely worth your consideration. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth machine reviews, and leave your questions in the comments section below. For inquiries, demonstrations or technical brochures, please follow the link in the video description. See you in the next one. *.